Today I'm making cake mix cookies, and you can do this by using any cake mix you want. They're usually around 15 ounces or a little over. I think this one is a 15.25 ounces. And you'll also need 2 eggs and a half a cup of oil, cooking oil, or you can use a half a cup of melted butter. So mix together 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, and the cake mix. If you'd rather, you can use 1/2 cup of melted butter. Mix that together, and after it's thoroughly mixed, then you can add in whatever other ingredients you would like. As far as mixing in, I'm using white chocolate chips. You could use nuts or M&Ms or just whatever you prefer. Just get all that mixed together thoroughly. After you get everything mixed together, go ahead and scoop these onto a cookie sheet or a plate or something. You can also put these very close together because you're just going to chill them for about 30 minutes to an hour for now. I used a cookie scoop to scoop these out, but you could also use a spoon. Just try to keep them consistent in size. Depending on the size that you scoop out, you can get 20 to 24 cookies out of this mix. I got 22. So I'm going to put these all on a pan, and then I'm going to stick these in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour. And like I said, you can put these very close together because at this point, all you're doing is chilling these cookies. So after you get these in the refrigerator to chill for 30 minutes to an hour, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to take half of those cookies and put on another cookie sheet and leave half on the original cookie sheet and spreading them out a couple inches apart. I'm mashing mine down a little bit because I like them a little flatter than they probably would come out. Now they're out of the oven, and I baked mine for 11 minutes. Depending on your oven, you can bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. So let these cool completely, then put them on a platter and they're ready to serve. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.